Are you looking for a controller to use for your 64 and your Nintendo Switch? I got you. What up, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy MikeOfAllTrades, coming at you today with a video for a controller that you can use on your Nintendo 64 and your Nintendo Switch. First, you like to see, you know what I'm saying, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not, and turn on those notifications so you can be aware my videos go up as we make our way to 2K. So, I was looking for a controller, that I could use that's wireless with my N64. I could be a fat cat and sit back, in bed if I want to have my 64 in the bedroom, or if I would just want to not be connected to a cord via couch, and, like freaking, and play my game, trying to, sit and play with this gimmick on the couch, or, like my favorite controller right now, the Retro Fighters Brawler Pad, which has an amazingly long cord. It's like 10 feet or whatever, like it's good, but it's not wireless, and I was looking for a wireless solution, something that would be good, something that would, like give me an option to just, get to sit and hang back and whatever else. So lo and behold, and on GameStop's website, and I had heard about these, but I'd never really messed with the Hyperkin product before, but they had the Hyperkin Admiral, right? So it's a wireless Bluetooth controller, and it's compatible with the Nintendo 64, Windows, Steam, Big Picture, Mac OS, Android TV, NVIDIA Shield, Raspberry Pi 3, 4, and 0, which is cool, but it's also compatible with this thing. Compatible with the Nintendo Switch. And so, for those who don't know, NES, the Nintendo Online service, is about to get Nintendo 64 implementation later this month. The expansion pack, which I thought about recording a video on, and maybe I will after, like service comes out and whatnot. But so I figured, let's try this out and see how it goes. So this is wireless. Here's the front of the box. It's supposed to charge USB-C, I think. Side, here's the back. The controller retails for $39.99. So, if you were thinking about spending a bunch of money on the N64 controllers, which I might order one or four, because I'm hoping those controllers are compatible with Mario Party, and I feel like the only way you can really play Mario Party is with an N64 controller, which was part of the appeal of this. So, as always, give you guys the first shot of the box, first what's inside and everything else. And it's a box. But yeah, so especially if you're playing online. Oh, there's a tray. Okay, here, let's slide the tray out, baby. And there's cool. Oh, we didn't break the box, so good. All right, so inserts that came with it: a thank you card for your purchase and support, with all their social media stuff on the back. Toilet paper manual, like Wicked likes to say, and a USB-C cable. So yeah, like I said, USB-C, it charges via that. Oh no, this is a mini. Oh, it's not USB-C, it's mini. Okay, well that's cool, I guess. So it's a mini. Not bad. I have no idea if this controller is charged. We'll find out in a second, I guess. But and yeah, here's the this is what it came like. So first, let's take this out. So here's the dongle, the wireless dongle. It also has a mini memory card, a micro SD card slot, which is weird. So I guess if you don't have an expansion pack, I guess maybe you can save like that. I don't know. The sync button, you can choose CM, TM, or CM. I have no idea what that does. And it should plug directly into your 64. Oh, what? Y'all didn't think I had an Nintendo 64 laying around. Y'all thought I just had controllers. And there it is, snug as a bug. And yeah, that's what the footprint of it looks like. It's a little long, you know what I mean? It sticks out about a good 3 inches, 2.5, 3 inches. That's what she said. I'm not editing that out. I'm not. That's staying. But yeah, so there it is. All right, let's pull that out though for now. And the piece de la resistance. This. So one of the reasons I wanted to get this is because it looks like it almost looks like the Hori pad, almost. Oh, and there is some charge to it because it's blinking, and all I did was take it out. Although I don't like that. Oh my god! If you guys can see that, it literally just came out the packaging, and it's already got some black stuff on it. So I'm assuming it's been sitting that long. But anyway, here's the front of the controller. You've got 2 Z buttons up top, and what is that? A sync button. There's the back of the controller, and it's cool because it has a little GameCube stick. You know what I mean? So here, let's see if we can kill one of these. There, let's kill one of these. There we go. It has the GameCube stick on it, so almost like the Retro Fighter pad. And that was one of the things that drew me to the the Brawler pad, was that it had a GameCube stick. You know what I mean? With the 8 notches. There's also 8 notches in here, but I'm saying, like, on the original stick there was 8 notches, but it was kind of wide. But yeah, there's 8 notches on here too, so you know, like, it feels good. The D-pad's down the bottom a little bit. I mean, it feels a little squishy, whatever. And it's blinking, so I don't know if we're supposed to try to pair this up or what. But it might be dying, so it might be dying. We're not exactly too sure on that or not. Let's see if we can give it a little bit of juice. The question's gonna be, okay, so yeah, it charges. I'm not using this cable. I have a mini that I use to charge stuff up and whatever else. So the question's gonna be, can we sync this up with the Nintendo Switch and play some games? So let's try that right now. I'm probably gonna need the instructions because, you know, I don't know. Let me look in the manual. Let's see if this thing even tells you. Gosh darn it. All right, so check this out. So in order for me to use this on the Switch, you have to download a firmware update for it. Okay, cool. No big deal, right? Watch what happens when you click the upgrade. 404 not found. This is not a glitch. Do not attempt to blow into your browser. This has happened on Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. All 3 of the browsers will not let you upgrade. But why can't you upgrade? You can't upgrade because it requires Windows 10. And it's October, and everybody who had the access to has upgraded to Windows 11. I've been using Windows 11 for the last 3 months, so I can't even get the file. So I can't even freaking find out if this thing is even compatible to work with the Switch, because there's no Windows 11 fix for it yet. So I'm going to email Hyperkin, and we're going to find out. So that being said, that's the video. I'll post an update. Yeah, I mean, when we get to it, but it looks cool. Question mark. it feels okay from the buttons I got to press. You know what I mean? Like, it's okay. This video is being recorded October 12th, so I'll probably finish this when an update comes out. What's going on, everybody? A new day dawns. So yesterday, this is part 2 of the video. Yesterday we were trying to get the Hyperkin to connect to the Nintendo Switch. Couldn't download the upgrade tool. I had to go through Hyperkin support to figure out how to do it, and pretty much they informed me that you didn't need the upgrade tool if you just bought the Hyperkin, and that their manual was wrong. And the only thing you need to do was press the sync button and the face button at the same time. Yeah. So let's switch over. I mean, so we have the Hyperkin. My switch is on right now. You know, as you guys can see, we can move left and right with it and whatnot. So the button layout, it's a little weird. So all right, so let's here. I'll check this out. Right. So check it out. Right. So you see how this is B and A, right? Classically, this is B and this is A, and whatever, right? But the way this is set up now, it's set up more like a Pro controller. So B would be Y, A would be B, and then C left would be X, and C down would be A. It's weird. So you would think to yourself, oh, well, I want to be able to change that, right? So go into system settings, and I almost hit the A button as B, right? And go into controllers and sensors, right? And you go down to where's it at? Change button mapping, right? This controller cannot be remapped. So that's something to keep in mind if you're getting into this for the Switch. You cannot remap the buttons at all. Just so we're clear. It still functions wirelessly and everything else. It's just you can't remap the buttons. So you can check, you can test the inputs though, you know, and make sure everything works up, down, left, right. See I hit Y, it's B, and then I hit B, it's A, and then I hit C left, X, and then that's A, and then C up is your home button. You know what I mean? That's weird. C up's your home button. The analog works fine. So let's test it out real quick. You know what I mean? And let's be horrible in Smash, because I'm trash at Smash. You know what I mean? I haven't actually used this controller and play yet. So, you know, this is gonna be an experience for both of us. But it is wireless and it reaches 30 feet. It syncs up with the Switch. So if you buy one brand new, it's not like if you bought one like a year ago or something, you don't have to update the firmware. It's all, you know what I mean? It's ready to go for you. So, you know, that's a good thing. That's definitely a good thing. You know what I mean? Okay, so then what's the plus button? Hopefully starts the plus button. I'm hoping, question mark? Yeah, it is. Okay, good. All right, good. So, and I'm hitting B as A. That's gonna be really weird because, you know, when you play Smash, you know what I mean? When you play Smash, you know, so this is your A button's usually the A button, B button, B button. So this is gonna be B and this is gonna be A. So that's gonna be a change and a half. So, but let's see if we can make it happen. Yeah, we'll go 3 stock, whatever. And of course, you know, we got to be out here looking cool, Joker. We're not here to try hard. Let's just put it on 6. We're not here to try hard. Plus, you know, I'm pretty trash at Smash. Or it's my son. So let's fun up. Yikes. So one thing as I just thought about this and I loaded it up just now, you don't have tilts. If you're playing Smash, like, you're not gonna have tilts. Like, there are no tilts. So if you like to use the C stick to smash whatever, which I just thought about just now. I literally just thought about right now, like, you know what I mean? There goes our Sid. Throw out that Egon, baby. Hold on. So yeah, this isn't ideal for Smash. But I don't even know why I chose Smash. Good parry. Freaking douchebag. And I'm gonna lose my Arsene. And there it goes. And he's dead. You know what I mean? So there's that. Not good for that. But what about NES on? What about Nintendo Switch Online? So cool. Let's we'll load it up. Let's try something out. You know what I mean? Let's go with. I don't even know. You know what's funny? I don't even know what's under the freaking what's under the freaking thing now. Legit. Like, I haven't used this in like forever. But yeah, of course, it's a software update. We'll be right back. You know, that actually didn't take as long as I thought it was going to, because, you know, hardwired boys. Ugh. So the main reason that I got this was because of the N64 that's supposed to be added. And like I said, this shows the last time I played this. Okay, Claymates. Look at this. That's bad. Anyway, let's see what they got on here. Is there anything that's like even remotely interesting at all? No. That's bad. I'm just like, yo, what do I want to try out, right? Screw it. Let's try some Super Punch Out. All right, so start button, start, right? And that works, you know, that works and everything. Fun fact, I don't think I've ever even played this on here. Well, we'll be named Hi. Hi. Okay. And there's Gabby J. He's 1 in 99 as well, which means I wonder if Glass Joe beat him and if he beat Glass Joe. You know what I mean? So I should probably have the other cam on so you guys can see the button presses. The controls. Let's see. This will be the real test. Okay. There's no in lag. Also, I don't remember how to do the super. Okay, so forget you're holding up to block, or is it down? It's up to block. Wow, that dude actually hit me. Okay, so. Now, this could be because I have, like, it's weird. So, this could be because maybe there's too many Bluetooth devices in here, but. Oh, that's why. Okay, yeah. Never mind. It's not the controller, it's me. I'm just trash. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So then, is it this? So, there it is. Yep. Okay. Like I said, it's just me being trash, y'all. You ever notice you can't play video games on camera? Like, legit. It's just that. You notice that? You just can't play video games on camera. And then I forget the punch out controls are like kind of wonky. Ooh, missed. Okay. Ugh, there we go. Yeah, completely forgot how to play it. You know what I mean? And then, you know, the same old, same old. So overall, the controller works. For $40. Actually, I think GameStop selling this one, the white version, which is weird. I don't know what it is about white versions of controllers, but GameStop selling the white version of this for $32.99. So if you want to order one and pick one up, you know what I mean? And you don't want to wait and you don't want to spend 50 bucks on the N64 controllers that are coming out through the NES Online service. Yeah, this could be viable. The lack of C-Stick for Smash or whatever, or anything that you need to use tilts for, it's not a big deal, but if you were buying this for 64 games, it doesn't matter anyway. You know what I mean? I think it's completely fine. You know what I mean? Like, it does what it's supposed to do, and it accomplishes the goal. Anyway, thanks you guys for watching. This is a video. Make sure to hit that like button, you know, subscribe on the way out, and share this video with your friends. You know, for anybody who's trying to find a cheap solution, because this is a cheaper solution for the N64 games for the Nintendo Switch. Let me know in the comment section. Do you have a Hyperkin controller? Have you ever had one? You know what I mean? Are you thinking about getting one? With the charging battery, the control, the the USB-C, and the ability to connect to PC, and no need to update it out of the box now. Buttons feel good? Yeah, like this is something I could say you should probably pick up. Anyway, I'm MikeOfAllTrades. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Later.